Hey crypto enthusiasts, today, I'm diving into the world of Flash USDT, a temporary and high-utility digital asset that could be a game changer for your crypto strategies. So, what exactly is Flash USDT? Unlike regular USDT, Flash USDT appears in your wallet but isn't permanently recorded on the blockchain. It's designed for high-volume transactions, short-term liquidity, and specific financial activities where speedy fund movement is essential. Let's break down its key features. First up, it's tradable. Flash USDT can be temporarily traded within specific platforms. This opens up opportunities for arbitrage and short-term trading strategies. Next, it's transferable. You can move Flash USDT between wallets, but remember, the transaction won't be permanently recorded. It's visible in wallets for a limited time, providing flexibility for fund transfers. Now for the gamers out there, Flash USDT is usable on gaming sites. Some platforms accept it for in-game purchases, betting, or virtual asset trading. This means you can quickly deposit funds and use them within the gaming ecosystem. And for those who enjoy gambling, many online gambling and betting platforms accept Flash USDT too. It offers a fast and discreet payment option for casino games, sports betting, and other activities. One thing to keep in mind, Flash USDT has a validity of 180 days. After this period, it disappears from your wallet, so make sure to utilize or exchange it within that time frame. It's important to note that Flash USDT isn't permanently stored on the blockchain, making it distinct from regular USDT. It's great for short-term transactions, but handle it carefully to avoid losing it after expiration. And always check if the platform you're using accepts Flash USDT before you dive in. That's a wrap on Flash USDT. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto insights. Catch you in the next one.